Hi everyone, this is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. I would love for you to join the Thrift Squad, so go ahead and click that subscribe button and you'll get all the videos and be inspired on how you can decorate your home on a budget. Today's video is to inspire you to style pampas grass in your home. Pampas grass is very popular when you're decorating bohemian style. See how it looks when I added some to just this corner of the room, and it gave it more of a natural feel. Now this plant is growing wild outside of my home where my neighbor is, and she said you can go ahead and help yourself. So I am fortunate to have plenty of it growing around me. So I did help myself to some of it, and you'll see it in several different vases around. Now, to use this stuff, you do have to shake it out, and then I spray it with hairspray to make everything just kind of attach itself together so you don't get too much looseness flying in the air, because it could be a bit of a pain in the ass. But when my granddaughter got to it, it was all over the place. She was shaking it all around, but needless to say, it still does make a wonderful addition when you're incorporating that into your home. So I thought I'd give you a little bit of inspiration to style it in your home if that's the look you're going for. I actually reached out to a few of my friends inside the Afro Bohemian group, so they too can inspire you to use pampas grass in your decor. And these ladies did a fantastic job styling it in their home. Alma Alita has it styled on her table, and it's stunning in Beata Mary's living room. Lexi Perry has hers styled in a vignette on a vase, and in her stunning bathroom, it makes a fabulous showpiece on her vanity sink. This bathroom is absolutely stunning. And Mwanda Mubanga has hers styled in the hallway in a vase on the floor. And for an addition, Cher Allen used a vase of pampas grass after she styled her etagere. Susie Carmichael has a small vase styled on her dinette table, and then another spray in a corner. And I like how that looks sitting in that corner. Danny Taylor has a nice vase styled on her coffee table. And for the holiday season, Christina Springs added Christmas ornaments to her bouquet. So adding pampas grass to your decor adds warmth, and it also brings the outside element in. And this flowering plant goes from rustic to modern to boho to any aesthetics you need in your home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. Please subscribe to my channel, drop me a comment, like, and share this video. I'll see you again.